Hello, my name is Valeria Tatiana Barbera Alarcón. This is how the connectors. Example about the connectors. Also, my name is Valerie. Also, you call me Tatiana. And I have two cats and a dog. Both cats are beautiful. Even. The game is even meal time. But I want travel, but I have money. Besides, my mom rule as a teacher. However, my mom is so hungry. However, I love her. Yet, I don't eat yet. Still, the river is very still and nice. Why? I can we I can eat white play soccer because I like eat beef because in delicious because of the cell phone that you have is because of me. Thank you for listening me.